civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Morris, NJ, at 9:04 p.m. on July 3rd, 2026, effective until 3:04 am July 4th, 2026. Emergency responders are managing the significant storm impacts with a high volume of 911 calls. We are aware of reports of downed trees, power lines, and % damage throughout Morris County. Please call 911 only for life-threatening emergencies or situations involving immediate danger to life or safety.
Should hold on tight to every single word, to every summer night. I wish